So how are we gonna turn this into this, right? This is the inspo, and this is the final result, the after. One of the tough things on this job, at least for me, was the studs weren't traditional studs, right? You had the steel framing. First, we built out this wall here for our cap. You see we fastened some blocks to the steel studs here, just something for some meat, you know, so we have something for our woodwork to grab onto, right? This is our plan of attack. This is the look we're going for. It's the shadow cap, right? The dado. And here we've got our curved section. Now, the tough part about this was it's not the same pitch. It's a pitch change. It actually shallows out, so it comes down steep, right? But then as it gets to the ground there, it actually tapers to finish at a more shallow angle, so you get like a full U-turn there, basically. And now we're just skirting it up, just starting to wrap everything. I'm telling you right now, that inside bend was not easy. Dado already routed in that one. Nice. Now I'm kind of building it up, right? I know it looks janky. It's like I have to kind of build up like a little core, and then have all the finished pieces on the outside, you know, be perfect. But this is what we're working with so far. It was not easy. I understand a traditional way of like laminating a full-on stringer, like I get that, but with the situation, the steel studs, and with the pitch change at the bottom there, it's just hard to do that. For paint grade, it's fine. Bondo and automotive grade products, trust me, this thing is gonna be perfect. Just build it up, right? Like a sculptor. Just sanding away here, but yeah, we're using 1/4" MDF, and the reason why is because it's actually going to contour with the twist involved in this curve. As you know, it has like a corkscrew type action, it has a twist to it, so to get that equal plane, that level plane across the whole wall cap here as it curves up, it's gonna have some twist in it. So this is what we're doing. We're just layering our MDF here, screwing them into our studs there, our initial blocking, and just building it up here. And I didn't film the flush trimming, but I took out the flush trimmer bit, and I got that nice and seamless with our skirt there. Alrighty, almost there. And remember, this is just our first layer, as we gotta make it look like a shadow cap, so we have to build it up and route out the dado. And this section here has to round over like that. No hard miters. Coming along. Okay, now we're working on that cap, trying to dial in that shadow cap with the dado. Now I have these slots in here. There's our dado. This is the first piece I put on, and now I gotta join it with the next piece here. So I have some spline action going on in those curves. Boom, just like that. I'm just gonna slip that little spline in there, and that's gonna lock me in and keep me pretty flush. It's gonna kind of keep everything straight as well. So using 6/4 poplar here. It looked beautiful. By the way, I love poplar, just the way it looks on its own. Well, anyways, that's all I could squeeze in here for part 1. Thanks for watching. Part 2 coming tomorrow.